We absolutely love Hunkydory, and they've come out with a new format. Now, it has all the things you would expect, but slightly differently. And one of the big things is it is padded, so it's padded right up here. Now, I've torn them apart, pulled them apart gently, just so I can show them to you. So here is the front. You're going to get ideas, and there they are. That's nice. Then you're going to get 4 sheets that are foiled, and look at that beautiful purple foiling. Isn't that gorgeous? As you would expect, there are images with artwork, there are images with multiple frames, there are images with greetings on them, so that's all nice. Now, to coordinate with this, you're going to get 2 sheets of cardstock that are printed and foiled. Now, one is foiled, I take that back, one is foiled and one is printed. Okay, then you're going to get 2 sheets of the inserts. Now, these are lightly printed in that the artwork is ghosted back, and you can see that this matches the one that I just showed you, like right here. They are all an A4 size. Now, the inserts is what the ghosted back images are called, are great for the inside of your card, but you can also use them on the front of the card. And there is the second insert that's included in this collection. So you've got all of those in one tidy bunch. Now, that's one of the 4. The second one is this, again, the purple foiling, oh so pretty. And then you've got the foiled cardstock right there, and then the printed, the cardstock. Then you have the ghosted back insert, and the second one that matches. All of them coordinate so nicely. Now, the third one is this. Isn't that just really pretty? And again, the purple foiling. Now, here is the foiled and printed cardstock, purple butterflies fluttering. And then we have the printed one. And did I mention these are all A4 size, so everything is. So I like to think of it as a generous 8.5 by 11. This is one of the inserts, and here is the second insert. Again, it's mirroring the imagery that you've just seen. Very often, however, the image is on the other side. So here is the printed cardstock. Here is the insert, so you get that nice transition happening. Now, the fourth one is this, and again, the purple, just like I said before. Here it is with the foiling, very pretty over on the corner too, and here it is with the printed, and here it is with the insert and the next insert. Now, you don't have to remember what I've done because very cleverly our Hunkydory friends have put it all on the back of the tablet. So that just makes it very easy. Now, I don't know if they're going to have a ton more of these, but I think this makes this a really nice collection because they all come together. And if you don't do what I did and break them all apart, you can use them just and keep them all together as you decide to use them. So this is Lilac Moments.